Three, two, one.
Hey, so it looks like we are at the track. One small hitch though. Even though I am now officially a member, I don't have a key to get up there. And truth be told, yeesh, the gate, the gate was locked as well. But anyway, I am a member and we're going to give it a go. I'm just going to see if I can get the 2-speed to change, because the last time I had it out it wasn't changing. So I'm just gonna probably just stand up there somewhere on higher ground and just go use a little bit of the track and see what happens. So like I said, I'm locked out of the tower and I have the car is changing gear, but gee whiz, it's crazy. I've smacked the fence a couple times already, but we'll see if we can get it all the way around. This thing is stupid, eh? Oh, oh, lucky. Oh! This wheel spins for no reason, so I'm guessing I've got to change my spring and change it from an 8K spring. Change it from a 9.5 spring to like a 8K. Woo! Dodgy driving. Okay, let's see if I can make it round again. Ooh. God's sakes. Freaking destroying it. The whole bottom end just freaking came off. Fuck. Oh well, what can you do, eh? Not a shelf queen. Yeah. Anyway, take it easy.